Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to view hidden contacts within the Messenger app on an iPhone running iOS 18 or later version. First things first, launch the Messenger app on your iPhone. Make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're in the main chats window, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see the menu icon. Tap on it. Now tap on Settings. This will take you to your account settings menu. Scroll down until you find Privacy and Safety. Tap on it. Now, under the Safety and Wellbeing section, you'll see an option labeled Hidden Contacts. Go ahead and tap on that. On this screen, you'll find a complete list of all the contacts you've previously hidden for this Messenger account. If you want to add more contacts to this hidden list, simply tap on the Add option located at the top right corner of the screen. This will bring up a contacts list, and you can then select the accounts you'd like to hide. To remove a contact from the hidden list and make them visible again in your main Messenger contacts, simply tap the Unhide option next to the desired contact. Hiding and unhiding Messenger contacts on iPhone 16 is important for managing your contact list visibility and privacy, allowing you to keep certain conversations out of sight while still maintaining the connection. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully viewed hidden contacts in Messenger and learned how to manage this list. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorial videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.